Hello students, a warm welcome to all of you and a very good morning. Today we are going to learn and discuss about number systems. As you know, number systems comprises of numbers. Numbers are categorized with the following components, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now in normal practice we have two types of number systems, the Indian number system and the international number system. So students, as I was telling you, we are having two different types of number systems, the Indian system of numbers and the international system of numbers. As you can see in this diagram, on top we have defined the table for Indian number system and below we are having the table for international number system. Now on top it is written place values. Now what are place values? Place values means when you read any number, it is associated with two things. First is the face value of the digit and then the place value of the digit. Take for example a number 1. Now the number 1 comprises of how many digits? There is only one digit. So what do? We can draw a place value chart according to Indian number system, and if you can see, the Indian number system is segregated into three groups, or rather four groups: the ones group, thousands group, lakhs group, crores group. Now I was telling you the example of the number 1. Now you can see in this place value chart, it is the ones group is having three subgroups or divisions: the ones, the tens and the hundreds. So since we are having the number 1, it is in the position of this place value chart. According to this chart, it is placed in this ones group because it is 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. Let us now move on to a number, say 10. Now if you can see, the number 10 is having two digits. So if you can read the number from the right hand side, it comprises of 0 followed on the left hand side by 1. So if we can place 0 in the ones group and 1 in the tens group. So in this way we form the number system. What happens is that the ones, tens, hundreds, then we followed by thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, followed by 10 lakhs, then crores, 10 crores. So this is actually the way we read any number according to Indian number system. Now what is the place value in this? What are the significance of place value in this table? Now see, when you have move into the ones column, we are having the place value as 1. Now here in this tens column, the place value is 10. Here in this column, the place value is 100. Here in this column, place value is 1000, then 10,000, then lakhs, then 10 lakhs, then crores, and then 10 crores. So a number having 9 digits, 9 digits will be read according to this 10 crore place value chart. A number having 8 digits will be read according to this crores place value chart. Similarly, for 7 digits we can read up to 10 lakhs. For a number comprising of 6 digits, we'll move up to the lakhs. Number comprising of 5 digits will move up to 10,000. Then for 4 digits up to 1000, 3 digits means up to 100, 2 digits means up to the tens part, and 1 digit means only one number which will be placed in the ones column according to this place value chart. Let us now move on to see a comparative study of the international number system. The international number system is again divided into four groups: the ones group, thousands group, millions group, billions group. In the ones group, we are having ones, tens, hundreds, that is up to 3 digits. Then again we are reading 3 more digits together, that is the thousands, 10,000 and the 100,000. So 6 digits for 100,000. So if we can now draw a comparison between 6 digits of international number system and 6 digits of an Indian number system, then we get that in 6 digits according to international number system we move up to 100,000, and in 6 digit according to Indian number system we move up to lakhs. Now let us move on with the furthermore digits in international number system. 7 digits we move on to the millions part. A number having 8 digits will be read according to 10 millions. Similarly, for 9 digits we have 100 millions. Move on. Let us now move on to a number having 10 digits which is in the billions group, 11 digits for 10 billions group, and 12 digits for 100 billions group. So, let us now look at certain examples, one in Indian number system and another in international number system. See, I have given here a number reading as 1000000000. If you can count the number of digits from right till left, we can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits in total. In words, this particular number is read as 10 crores. Now see, I was already talking to you regarding the face value and the place value of a particular number or digit. See, I have made a box around 1 and 0 over here on the extreme left of this particular number. Now, if I can look at this particular digit 0 over here, I have multiplied the digit 0 itself. So, this becomes the face value, means whatever we are finding the digit at this position that we are finding it is 0. So, 0 becomes the face value. That is to be multiplied with the respective position it occupies in the number. So the position it occupies in the number is, let us read from right hand side, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So now let us multiply the face value 0 along with the place value. What is the place value? The place value is 000000001. Let us read. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. So this is actually 1 crore. So this 1 crore becomes the place value of this particular digit at this position, which is read as 0. So the face value is multiplied with the place value to get the final answer, which is 0. So this 0 is actually the digit which has been placed at this particular position. Let us now move on to the extreme leftmost digit 1. This 1 is again multiplied with the respective place it occupies according to the place value chart. So we are getting ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. So we are multiplied accordingly over here and we get the same thing, 1 into 10 crore, we get 10 crore itself. So that becomes the final number over here. So what is the number in words? 10 crores. Now boys, let us pay attention on how to read the number by putting commas. See, I have told you the Indian number system comprises of groups. First is the ones group comprising of ones, tens, hundreds. Then we put a comma. Moving left, we now move on to the thousands group. This is having thousands, 10,000. Then again we put a comma. Then we move on to the lakhs group. The lakhs, the 10 lakhs. Again we put a comma. Then we move on to the crores group. The crores and the 10 crores. So in the Indian number system, we put comma from right to left by counting the number of digits from right to left. First 3 digits, then a comma. Then afterwards, after every 2 digits, we put a comma. Now let us move on to see an example of international number system. In the international number system, we are having groups such as the ones group, followed by your ones, tens, hundred, then followed by your 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, followed by lakhs, 10 lakhs, millions, 10 millions, 100 million, then billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So it is the first 3 digits from the right. If you count extreme right, we put a comma after that. Then again we take 3 more digits and we put a comma, then 3 more and a comma, and then the remaining whatever is there. So we have the ones group up to ones, tens, 100, then followed by 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This is thousands group. Then followed by the millions group, preceded by, not followed, it's actually preceded by the millions group, the millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, preceded by the billions group, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So in words, this particular digit that I have written, or the number, is actually 100 billions. How many digits does it have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 digits. Now say I have put a box around this extreme leftmost digit 1. What does it mean? That is, the 1 is the face value which is multiplied with the respective position it occurs in the place value chart, which is the 100 billionth column. So we have multiplied 100 billion with 1 and we get 100 billion itself. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. So 12 digits. So actually the number is read as 100 billions.